Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Carey.
And I'm Nikki Pham.
Welcome back to the Bubble Up Rolls Masterclass.
In our last video, we showed you how to create and organize sections in your role. Once you've established your sections, you're probably going to want to take it a step further and organize the contents in each section. So let's get started. Let's go to a section or specific item in your role that you want to customize. Click on the three-dot menu, find Reorder Item. A window will pop up, and to the right of each item will be a hamburger button. Okay, so you'll hold down the button and then drag it to whichever position you want it to end up in. And that's pretty much it. Okie dokie. Now let's talk about syncing. There are two ways to go about syncing your folder content into your role. Option 1 is to sync from your folder. Option 2 is to sync from your role. We're gonna work with this one today, okay? Okay. If you have content that was recently changed in your folder, so whether or not this is the body text of a note or the title of a picture, all you need to do is hit that sync button at the top bar, and all of the changes that you've made from the folder will reflect the role. A message will appear and it'll give you two options, which is to either sync your contents to the top or bottom of each section. This is a personal preference, so do whatever it is that makes your heart content. Psst, you can also drag and drop each section and organize it however you want. And once you're done, hit done. And you're done. And that's how you organize and sync each items in your section. If you're all about productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
My name is Lauren Carey.
And I'm Nikki Pham. And
we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.